Next up is item number 2, 4, 5. Back into youth level 1 we go, and rounding out this division with TNT All-Stars. Put your hands together for fireworks. Fireworks from TNT All-Stars. Now, just a reminder to limit walking around the stands during a routine, as not to disrupt any people who are trying to watch, if at all possible. Just wait until the routine is complete before moving about. And also along the sides, if I can ask all of the athletes who are doing some stunts and things, cartwheels and so forth, please don't do that. It's not the right area to do that. Just wait until you're on the floor to do things. Just make sure you're seated in that area rather than